how to remove motor mounts on a gl450. That's one motor mount. The other one's down there. The only way to get to them is the heat shield. There's the bolt for it. You get to it. And you gotta jack it up and remove the wheel. And make sure you got this to put in the bolt. When you're removing the wheel, make sure you got the peg it came with it. If you ain't got it, you're gonna hate life. Now what we're doing, we pull that off, that goes to the sway bar, and pull that one off so you can lift the sway bar up, pull this off so we can raise the motor. It was some shit, 11mm reverse torque, and one of the bolts, the nuts over there on the back side, right there, 117 and 116. Alright, now where the motor mount bolts are. Yeah. You can still see them, so show them. Say what they are.
What?
The bolts.
Right up there.
$12mm reverse torque.
Yep.
Can you see the other one?
Yeah.
Okay. When we get to the other one here, then you gotta get this air box off in order to get that bolt out. You don't have to take this one out, just loosen it so you can lift that sway bar to get that out. And to get that off, all you do is pop those two clips right there with a screwdriver. That off, we have access to everything.
Oh, this one's much easier to get to.
Here you go. See, I told you that one's easy as fuck to do. You should be able to see it. The one he just showed you is that one right there. He's going to get them two bolts off, and then we're going to unbolt the transmission because it's coming off anyway. That mount. Which has two bolts right there, and then that way we can hoist the motor up. You can use a jack if you want. I don't know where the fuck you're going to put it, because they say you can put it somewhere on the fucking motor, but if you get up here and look, I don't see how you're going to do it. So you might have to use a cherry picker. For all those who don't know what it is, that's an engine hoist. You can rent one. Alright, since we're using an engine hoist and not fucking goddamn jack stand, I'm pulling the hood off. My wife's going to have a shoot fit. So we just got this bitch painted. So I'm pulling it off. Clip there, two bolts there. Clip there, two bolts there. Bolts right there are 13mm. There you go. Just show what the fuck it is, say whatever it is.
10mm.
It's the heat shield.
Heat shield. Oh, there. There's one. Up on the top there. I'm gonna finger that.
What?
What do you think that one goes to? It's all the way straight. You know where that bolt is that we've been trying to get off? It's right up above it. Straight back.
Yep. Fuck all y'all. I didn't pull the damn manifold off. Took the airbag out. Took the bolt, that bolt off. Took this off. took that off from there and pulled the airbag out because I knew how to do that easier. And I lifted the motor up, as you can see. And then I took the fucking tool it came with. Well, I really didn't need it too much. With this here, this is a serpentine belt puller. You get it at Harbor Freight for like $8. And that's a 16 millimeter. And yes, this is the tire well. It was a lot easier than taking all 12 of them fucking bolts off. Or 8 of them, whatever the fuck it is. Then I took and pulled that, and if you got a small wrench like this, because this wasn't worth the shit. It doesn't work on the gl450. Get a little stubby one, and then you got to turn this a little bit, that you turn that. I mean, it kind of helped. Because I had to use a ratchet to hold it here, so it kind of helped a little bit. I mean, you'll figure it out. Wherever I put the fucking ratchet. There it is. That's how I had to use it to get it where I couldn't get the wrench to work. But it worked. Was it worth it? Nah. Whatever. That's the way they're talking about. Fuck all that shit. So that's that. Now we gotta put another one on. Let's see if I can show you my starting. Once you get the bolt loose so far, you just spin it like this, and it spins right off, and it drops. Maybe that motor mount. Did it say right or left on them? That's got a lip right there. I assume it's got to be going somewhere to keep it from spinning it. So yeah, time to put in. On that side there is where it's got to go. That lip that's on there. Because there's something there and you just set right on there. But you can spin it back on a little bit, back on there, and just put it around here on the back side of it. T40, 21 millimeter. Gets that off. I don't remember what the fuck that is. I think it's like a fucking 22, I don't know. And there's the bolt I showed you. And there's a fire shield. Heat shield is supposed to go to arrow. I might put it back, why not? Fuck it. That's how you use the tool. To get that fucking thing out. Huh? Hold that. Got it? Yep. See that little that little thing right there? That right there.
Yep.
That's what I was talking about. That's sticking out on the motor mount. It's got to go right back there. Up underneath there's two little spacers, and that's got to fit in there. That's why you can only twist it so far.
Right. So it's loosened enough that you can hop it off that?
Not yet. I'm gonna go one more time and then I might be able to do it by hand. with just the wrench. Yeah, it can be done by hand now.
Turn this off now? I can probably get up there and
Yeah.
screw it.
You're gonna pull that out, the CV axle out. You're gonna have to push it back, so good luck. You drop it from there to where it lands right about there.
That damn loud ass rock music.
You gotta push it over that way till you get to the front. Then you gotta push it right there. And now we gotta see if we can hand it up to the front of the fucking car. Can you get it? Or what the fuck am I hitting?
Yep.
Okay.
Keep on. Yep.
Yep. And you gotta go through the front of the fucking car. And out the back. Out the front. You got it? No? Yes?
Yeah, I have it, but I need somebody to hold this.
Oh, okay. Come. Huh.
Don't you fucking fall, bitch. Give me some light. I can't see what I'm doing.
I thought there was enough there. I guess not, huh? No.
Fuck, dude. Hell in the fuck. Oh my god.
And they said the driver's side was fucking easy.
Yeah, bullshit.
You fucking ignorant ass.
Oh my god. This is all bad, dude. I just don't want to tug on it too hard because I don't want to bust that fucking pipe.
I mean, you can drop it down and I'll pull it out through the bottom. If there ain't no way to get it up.
Yeah, drop it where, dude?
Where I just fucking handed it to you. In the front right there.
Mm-hmm.
Just drop it on that plastic thing and I'll just pull it out through the bottom. Yeah, right there. That'll work. Here. Take that off.
Daddy, right on this.
Huh?
Right here is a 10 on this. Smooth.
Yeah, I need 10.
There you go.
Alright. Nah, just take one out, maybe two.
trying to get that new one up in there too.
Hey, I figured out how to get the old one out, so the new one's ain't gonna be hard. But whoever designed this needs the shit kicked out of them. Fucking idiots. That's for damn sure, motherfuckers. Okay, a few more, but you get the point. As you can see, you got a lift point there, lift point there, a lift point right there. We used a cherry picker instead, so I still gotta fix the fucking hood that I have to part. Alright, well, the transmission fucking bracket back here, you know it's back here. You're gonna have to take it down somewhat because the part that you're gonna pull down is not this. It has bolts. This is the replacement. So when you get it from fucking Mercedes, tell them you need the nuts. It's separate. They don't tell you that. I found that out when I called them. Sorry, son of bitches. But you have to take all that shit down to do it. But you also got to make sure you unbolt it so you can raise the fucking motor and get more clearance that way too. I don't know what he used. Fucking, I don't know. Just make sure you got a good tool set. Metric and fucking standard. You're going to need a 22, a 24, a 21 for sure. You can also get it from underneath too. Right there. And up in there. Yeah. Good luck. Passenger side, you can't do that because you got the fucking starter in the way. But like I showed you on this side, the driver's side, you can reach up in there and do it. But you gotta jiggle them on first, like I showed you earlier. With the finger in your hand. Then once you do that, you can tighten that one up. And that one you're gonna have to pull the fucking, all that shit off. Best thing I can tell you, make sure you got a good wrench set. That's fucking 8mm all the way up to 24. You can get a Harbor Freight dirt cheap, same way with sockets. Up to 24. And up to 24. And that's it. We're done. We're lowering it down now to match them up there. Don't worry about the heat shield, it'll go back. One bit back. The other one, we just kind of half-ass fucked it up. Put it back. I scraped the firewall a little bit, but there we go. Drive to the wheels fall.